Just mapping out where some of the color changes are going to be. It kind of goes back to what we talked about before. If you watched the water lily class, some of it is just sort of future notes to myself on where some of these different color variations will be. So I'm just going to keep painting a little bit. I don't have much time for the studio today, but I did just want to, sometimes it's nice to just get a little bit of paint down. It kind of breaks the ice a little bit. Um, Whenever I have a new piece to start, I like to just jump in and at least get some paint down.